Hey guys, what is up? Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you guys' year is starting off on a good foot. Mine, not so much. But I really wanted to do a reset for the new year. So I started my day off with doing a meditation. I actually felt really good after this meditation. I feel like I've been going through it lately and I needed something. You know what I mean? I had to do something that was going to help me out at least a little bit, and meditation most definitely did. I also decided that I wanted to journal a lot more. It has been a minute since I've journaled. Well, I started doing it in my phone, but I feel like doing it, like writing everything down, is also helpful for me because a lot of the times, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really want to talk to anybody, and those thoughts just stay in my head, and it's not a good thing for me. So I am really working on journaling a lot more. Now, I did all of this cleaning, all of it in one day, you guys. I was really exhausted, and usually I don't do that, but I really wanted to enter into the new year with a cleaned apartment, and I'm really proud of myself because I did accomplish this task. I hope you guys do enjoy this cleaning video. If you do enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up so that I know that you're enjoying it, and leave your thoughts down below.